guys, this is Jessy Rodriguez here at Hayward Car Wash, and we'll be starting to work on this detail on this vehicle that has been sitting for 3 years. So we're gonna go ahead and do and walk around to see what the condition is of it right now, and I'm going to show you real quick. You see all the door jambs right over here. They're pretty bad, pretty filthy, because it's been sitting for 3 years, like I said before. And we're going to proceed to do a full detail on the outside, clay polish wax, and on the inside, as you can see, it needs a little bit of help. So we're going to proceed to do a shampoo cleaning of the shampoo of the carpet, steam clean the seats, all the leather, door jambs, door panels, and everything will be treated afterwards.
Are you going to get rid of the
all the spider webs are
webs?
definitely going to be done. There's not going to be a house for spider webs no more.
Yeah.
So as you can see, I mean, it's not in a bad condition, but it needs some help. So that's what we're going to do here. That's what we do. We've been doing this for over 25 years. Pretty excited. I mean, the person who's gonna do received it afterwards is probably gonna be more excited than I am right now.
Yes.
Your headlights are gonna be done as well. As you can see, you can't see through, especially right now in the rainy season. You need those lights to be like really, you can
Clean
see
up the
through.
black.
Yeah, all this molding's gonna be done, all of it.
So what kind of services do you have here?
We do offer anything from monthly plans from $24.99. It started at $24.99, and we can go all the way up to, paint restoration, clear coat polish. The whole 9 yards. Anything that is cosmetic-wise for the cars, that's what we do.
So this is awesome. I can't wait. We'll see what happens.
You're definitely going to be happy with the outcome, and stay tuned.
Yay! All right. Oh my goodness, is that my car? Look at that. It looks brand new. Wow. Look at that. Is that the same car? Wow, look at this. How did you get that chair so clean? Oh my goodness. Okay, I am completely convinced these guys are absolutely amazing. This car looks so bad. I don't know if you saw the before pictures, but this looks so amazing. It looks like a brand new car.
Looks better?
Yeah, it looks great. Let's have Jessy give us a walkthrough again. Hey, 3 hours later, look what we got.
Well, as you can see, when you brought it in, it was 3 years sitting down, so it was quite a work, but nothing we can handle, right? So look at the edges, we got them clean, as best that we can.
There was all kinds of leaves in here. Yeah. This is all cleaned out.
Cleaned out better.
And the carpet looks great.
Floor mats, little stain right there, but
yeah. Look at the side. The windows are so polished. I don't think they've been that clean since brand new.
Plain polish wax was done on the outside. The wheels, we used special acid to clean the rims the best that we could. Tire dressing, obviously on the tires, to look so shiny.
Look at that.
The inside, steam clean. We use a steam clean machine first to loosen up all the dirt, grime that normally is sitting down for a while, and then we go ahead and do an extraction with an extractor machine.
Look at that.
Shiny. All the moldings, we got some dressing on the moldings as well.
Okay. There you go. And look at this carpet.
It looks a little bit better.
The chair had a big old stain. All kinds of stains. Look at that.
Look at the dashboard, the diaper all shiny and everything.
All that. Wow.
So we go ahead and right over here. Remember I told you about those headlights?
Yeah.
Those headlights, they were a little bit clear. Unfortunately, we got some sort of spider web on the inside, but look at the headlights are more clear now.
Well, they didn't pay rent. I'm kicking them out.
There you go. You gotta kick them out. The front grille, as you can see, more shiny and everything, cleaned up and everything too.
Wow. Look at that. Now this is the real test, because this had these little
you got
bubble things on it.
It's actually redwood tree sap. That's what it is. Redwood tree sap. If you don't treat it, it's going to damage your paint eventually. In this case right here, it looks like it was under like a roof or a shadow or something like that. That's why it didn't get all the way into the paint. But we did the best we could.
And look at that. Remember that? Yeah. That's just wow. All of this looks so great. No more cobwebs.
Nope, no more cobwebs.
Here's the driver's seat. Looks good. Lots of interior detail. That's what I'm going to be doing with it soon. The seats are just a little wet still. That's all right.
A little bit damp because
Yeah.
you know we have to use this,
Right.
like I said, extractor and steam clean. Now the last thing that we do to every single customer when they come through here, we use something that is sanitizer. Every single customer, even if you pay for it or you don't pay for it, we got to keep our community safe. So we're doing. That's the last thing that I'm going to do right now. We're going to spray the sanitizer inside. Spray it on the carpet.
So anybody who might have touched it, you're killing those germs.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
And that's what we do every time we go home too. See, we spray the seats. This right here is not going to damage your pants, your clothing,
Right.
nothing. Any fancy clothes that you have on is not going to damage it
Right.
at all whatsoever.
Look at these tires. That is great. There. That's it. It looks great. Okay, what's your website address? You're going to want all kinds of people to do this.
Yeah, I mean, we have the website. The website is called Bay Area Car Wash, and we have 3 locations all over the Bay Area. One in San Mateo, Redwood City, and definitely the one right here in Hayward. We're here local in 133 Jackson Street. If you have any membership here at this location, you can always redeem it over there as well.
All right, Jessy, thank you so much.
thank
You
you.
did an amazing job.
Thank you.
I am
Thank you
just
for
like thrilled to death.